Oh, bother. I just dropped my camera. No big deal. Everything's good. So I had a break day after having learned CW for 2 hours. I was like super tired yesterday. It's also the day before Valentine's Day, so you got to remember that. You got to remember tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So if you're like me and you have somebody to impress, it's too late. So just get on a ham radio and forget about her or him. Don't do that. That's terrible advice. Never follow my advice. Congratulations, Grant. Woo! Whiskey 4 Keck. With the general. I'm also finishing up a sad beer. Congratulations. Now what? What are you going to do with your general? I don't know what I did. I mean, I got an HF, obviously. Actually, no. I just went and started studying for my extra. Like, I think it wasn't like, oh, I have my general, now I get to be on HF. It's like, okay, I have my general, now I'm going to go get my extra. And study for that I did. It took like 2 or 3 months of just reading that book. And this was back in high school. Oh, yes. Good answer. Very excellent answer. And you know what? I've also been hearing, not to diminish the fact you got general, but there's a lot of talk lately about the ARRL's new band plan that they're seeking comment on until the 19th. And people are like, oh, that's not enough time. But the ARRL band plan committee draft band plan. So like everyone knows this, but there's some new ones. So they're going to add technician capability in a lot of places. Let's see what's new recommended. So technician will get voice from 3.9 up, and we'll get some data on 80. They'll get some on 40. They'll get some on not on 30. I'm surprised. I feel like 30 meters and the work bands should be pretty much open to technicians. That's my opinion. But 40 and 80 get technician privileges. 20 meters, nope, that's still special. 15, which has technician CW only, but will add some voice and data. And 12 meters. So they're not doing anything with adding new licenses to the work bands. And then 10 meters. So nothing but CW for a year. Holy cow. Actually, I wouldn't have a problem with that if it was me. Like I could live without single sideband, but I probably couldn't live without FT8. Not gonna lie, FT8's where it's at. Do they have the power to do this? Would the FCC even allow them to change the band plan? I have no idea. The FCC is a really hard mountain to move, and so they're definitely not. What did I hear from Mickey? It's like they're definitely not going to let them add a new license class, like an entry level license class. But they do have ARRL has the power to say, hey, here's our new recommendations, and FCC can just be like, all right. I don't think the FCC really cares to. I mean, they'll review it and be like, yep, that looks good, but like, they don't really care about the nitty gritty band plan charts. And care is the wrong word. It's like they don't administer it as much as like the ARRL recommends it to be administered. I think maybe we can get an ARRL person out there to prove me that I'm wrong or something. But it definitely adds like a lot more activity to like the 40 and 80 meter band for technicians, especially on the upper edge. Yeah, I agree, Mike, with that. And it's 200 watt limit, so you don't get the full 1500. I'm surprised it's 200 because I only know of a handful of radios that are the top of the top end radios that do 200 watts. But Maybe that's to kind of, because a lot of radios will do 110 watts just to do the thing. So, anyway, again, congratulations, Grant, on your general. Very, very happy for you. Welcome to the lands of HF on voice. Yeah, I'm back online. I'm surprised nobody like tweets me or and says like, "Why aren't you online?" But I don't know. I'm probably because I'm not watching my Twitter very much. Okay, so we're not done learning CW. I'm done doing these stinking lessons, but that was the easy part. That was the easy part. So now the hard part is going faster. Well, I logged in. Going faster and learning words, learning call signs and stuff. So like, let me do. I'm kind of like open to suggestions, and I think Mike, you had, or no, who's that guy? Jim had some before. I forget his call sign already. I'm the worst. To do like word groups and focus on specific characters, especially like F. But basically, this code groups is no different than the lessons. It's just you get to set your characters that you want. No, not there. Code groups. Change to W settings. The characters that you want to do in here. So letters, figures, code characters. And then you can add symbols, extras, and stuff if you want to learn those. and then all these things change those code group settings. So it'll do like the same things we've been doing, but I kind of want to switch it up. We can do call sign training. And the speed 20. And we could also start using other software too, but it'd be fun to like track. No. Did everybody read that? Could you read my text off of my watch? I forget that there's a camera here. Sometimes. Those are probably more comfortable for serious high-speed training. This is online version. So why don't we do that, actually? RUFZXP. Maybe not. I don't have it installed. So this software is the standard for increasing your speed. I swear to God I have this. Maybe not. I thought I did. I swear I was playing around with it a while ago. To improve your call sign collecting or recognition speed. Download. That one. Save. Click. And click. And installing on the other screen. Launch. Bop, bop, bop. Wow, that was kind of rough CW. Bop, bop. Okay. Here is RUFZXP. And how do I display capture? Scale filtering. Nope. Transform. Trying to like zoom it in so it can be easier to see. There we go. So .600 hertz is my favorite, which is below. I don't know. I really like the 600 hertz. You can do different waveforms. Well, how about not that? And not that either. So very clicky. I'm gonna go close my door real quick. Justin's watching TV in the other room. So I thought fade in and fade out were like the, let's go words per minute. 20. I thought these would be like, these would fix those key clicks. If I make this go to like, oh yeah, those clicks are way worse than, maybe a little better. No splash screen, show scoreboard, hide attempt, nah. Fast close, nah. Default call sign, is that me? All right, okay. So let's look at this. Tools, scoreboard. List all scores. So I have done nothing. So unless this has some sort of international top. Aww. I try to click international top list and of course it crashes. K. I like how it says K on everything. So just click start, enter your call, enter. Speed 20 words per minute, enter. Oh no! Slash da 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 p. Can I get the rest of that, please? Again? How do I say again? Ah! Got that. Da 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 is X. I'm doing this completely the wrong way. AB4. This is I need help. X. Yes. Cancel. Goodbye. Yes. That is very cute. Oh my gosh. Does this give me Farnsworth back? Minimum character speed, maximum speed fixed, 600, okay. Filter call signs. Filter, remove long and slash calls. Let's not stop on error. Okay. Woo! I got my first one. That's surprising. At least I figured out how to repeat this one. Again. Oh. Did it. What's the number? Nice. What? Did it. Oh, this one was A. Remember what is did? That's not. Oh. T something. Da-da-da. Man, I'm good at this. Look at me go. Last one was da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da, V. And then... Nice. So, I'm not doing too bad. Let me get through this list, I guess. So I'm going to go through and do all of these. And then see what it's like. And look, every time I get one finished, it's increasing the speed. And there's no Farnsworth in this. It's just completely gone. So that's a good sign. Like, I'm picking up these characters. Not terribly poorly. This is way too high pitched. Oh, I'm totally whiffed it. Ta-da. Nice. G. Nice. Dude, come on. Can I don't want to ruin this run. I want to like finish it, but like with the pitch, like I need a lower pitch. I like 600 hertz, man. Oh, poof. Not a number. What is that again? And I went in. Is that right? Oh. What is da-da-da, 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 da-da-da? You. Again. Nice. Da-da-da-da. F! I got it, though. What was the second character? I totally missed it. Da-da-da-da. Nice. Something. Ah. Da 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 da. W. Da 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 da. 6. It's one of the last ones I learned, so. Da 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 da. Q. One more. Is that the whole thing? Wow, I got that without even a retry. Good job. So I have to get through the whole table to get a score. And I am number 4,729. Yay. Not yay. So let me change some stuff up. Call sign training. I do not want random. I want to not have fixed speed because I like that. Max speed, 33 words per minute. So like starting at 20 and speeding up to 30. Actually, let's do 23. No, let's do 33. Okay, so there's that. Now let's do plain text training. How long of a thing is it going to send? That was a great attempt. Nobody leaves us. We only leave others. Nobody Decky question mark. We only leave operating system. English proverbs fortunes 382. Play. Okay, so you all something ECH, the highest possible point in our business, or I'm assuming that's PROFES, profession. And this reach something, yeah. 91 point. You will reach the highest possible point in your business or profession. So, okay, that's cool. So, word training, speed at, where were we? 20, maximum 33. English, maximum length. Let's not have 15 letter words. Let's do like 8. Not a fixed speed. Skip automatically after 5 seconds. I wonder what that does. I don't know. Find out. Again, the same number of. Mike, you almost got it right. Just like me. Enter. There we go. Dit. Nature. Huh. Dit. Nah. That was a different. I heard da somewhere in there. That's why I was like, I know that word. Da. Save. Can I fix this word with what I have? No. Li blanco where? Da. I like Q. UOR. Drink to that. Something Q and I. Okay. Whoa. I can't even keep up. Slow your roll. Did it. Got that part. Keek. It keeps. This isn't right. Because, like, I'm going really fast, but I'm just listening to one character at a time. Am I not supposed to do that? Like, I get the repeat, but, like, my score doesn't go down if I repeat. But, like, at this time, all I hear was T, S, maybe, and then I hear TR. Okay, got that, but then I just forget about the rest of it. But then, like, and then I hear some, like, an L in there somewhere, but it was before. And two L's, actually, and then... And I think it was, I heard da trillion. I just can't spell. So I don't really like this this way of doing it, I think. Maybe I need to change the settings. Yeah, and then the speed just keeps going up, pretending like you know what it is, but like it's a word, and I can't spell a word just like, I can't make it wrong. I can make a call sign wrong, definitely, but like a word, maybe not so much. So maybe that isn't the best way to learn that. QTC. So I'm just kind of like going through the different trainings. Let me resize the window here. Boop. Click. So QTCs are a unique feature that worked all Europe contest. Speed, abbreviated numbers. So there's a thing in ham radio or Morse code where you can cut numbers with a shortening. So 1, 9, and 0 are commonly cut the most. 0 is usually cut with a T. So instead of sending N0SSC, you would send N0SSC. Or 599 is especially common. Instead of 599, you send 5, the regular 5, but then N for 9, so 5NN. That's why you hear dot. But I won't do that. I'm just gonna kind of go with it. Huh? Whoa. What am I supposed to do here? Validate. Oh, great. Added score to the valid database. I already have the 100,000 most used words. For moist... What? If you send me your email... Well, you have my email. Sterling at N0SSC.com. I'll most set it up for MorseCat to use the QRZ address. Sometimes I'm not sure what you're saying. MorseCat is a software that lets you learn the thing. Learn the Morse. Patience. This is a good read, actually. Surprising for keywords ed. But for this kind of stuff, I use my when I'm not streaming, I actually learn Morse code sometimes, and I use Morse, Morse, and it uses words, and it uses the top 500 words, and the default is 100, but you can use the top 500. But you can't put in like your own thing, I think, which is fine. 99% of my Morse operation is going to be call sign number, so the remainder, will be like portable operations, which words will come in handy. But it seems like words are really not, and I've told people this before, and because people have told me it's not about the words aren't like, for example, the word online isn't dot it did it dot it did. It isn't. Well, CW com isn't on. And it's not connected to the COM port. Oh, these are backwards for the correct hand. I really need to get like a proper oscillator up because the CW-COM algorithm is a little slow. There we go. Online isn't. Dadgummit. It isn't whatever I just wrote. It is like. It's a freaking CW-COM sucks. I don't care what anybody says. They need to go back in time and fix the iambic paddle thing. I wonder if I can just do it with this. It's way better with a mouse. I'll give them that. It is. Okay, maybe not. I'm like clicking both of the buttons in a rapid fashion, but it can't catch up to me. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is that it's not just words. Words aren't just letters. They are whole words. So online isn't ONLINE. People don't say I'm learning CW, or I'm LEARNING CWONLINE. They say I'm learning CW online. And when you learn words and Morse code, that's it's basically training you that the word online is a whole bunch of characters all together. That make up that word online, and your brain will think of that word as that. Just like I said a long time ago, that test is CQ test. A lot of people say test instead of contest in CW, and they literally send it without any space because they're trying to save time. So it's CQ da 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 da. Instead of that, it's almost like a pro sign. There's a shortening between the E and the S, but it's almost like A V instead of test. But everybody knows that's just the word test. Okay, so I've had fun tonight learning some code groups, plain text training. We haven't done that, have we? Oh yeah, we have. Code groups, we're training, call sign training. There is one thing that isn't on here. It is it isn't something where you can just plug in some characters and go for it, like some other software can, like MorseCat. That would be cool if it had it, but c'est la vie. I might go lurk in IRC and go bother him about that, because the inventor of this, he hangs out in a CW channel on Freenode. See, he's right there. Should be like, hey DJ1, okay, make SCWO have custom text. And I won't send him that because that would be rude. But he does hang out over there, so that's pretty cool. Okay, well, I am done learning for tonight. Go to channel 7125. I think I know what you're talking about. I'm not ready to talk to a real human. That's why I'm doing CW Ops, CW Academy in April. After all of this is said and done. So, all right. That is all I have for tonight. And if you want to catch me again, I will be here. Not tomorrow night because it's Valentine's Day, or Saturday because it is the actual CW contest. So I will stream at some point on Saturday, maybe multiple times a day, and hopefully put a video together sometime before the end of next week that kind of shows the whole experience I had. So that's all she wrote for tonight. 73, everyone. Thanks for hanging out, and thank you, Mike, for hanging in there and helping and learning some CW with me. All right, bye.